Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning 2016 Nissan Patrol ST. I'm going to walk you through some of the features and the actual incredible condition this vehicle has been maintained. Starting off at the front, as you can see, we've got that really nice bull bar on the front there with the spotlights mounted in the middle just to give you that extra visibility. Bull bar is going to give you that whole front end protection, which is absolutely amazing. The center of these bull bars are actually rubber, so if you were to bump anything with them, it's not going to cause too much damage. You have also got that smoked Patrol bonnet protector on the front there, just protecting the whole front end and windshield from as many stone chips as possible. In the bull bar itself, you have got the fog lights and indicators as well. Keep making our way along to the first alloy wheel. It is completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in those tires, and you have actually got a lock in the middle there to unlock and remove the wheel, so it will just hold it in place, and it is added security as well. We have got the chrome side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator just built into the side fender there. Down the bottom we have got the side step fitted and your common rail turbo diesel stickering on the side. On the interior, something that really surprises me about a vehicle like this is the fact that it is this immaculate. So all the seats are in incredible condition, scuff plates, absolutely minimal wear, and where people get lazy and kick the doors open, minimal wear there as well. Something I would highly recommend that would protect the whole inside of the vehicle and contrast really nicely with the white paintwork is our premium window tint, so please ask us about that. The next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked, and fuel filler cap is on the driver's side just here. Making our way to the back now, as you can see, we have got the full-size spare on the back as well, giving that really nice old retro look to it. On the back, we have got a tow bar fitted and your tow hook as well. The rear tailgate does open up both ways, so one door this way and the other one with the handle on the inside here does open up just the other way, so really easy to open up. There is a lock on the right tailgate as well to keep it closed. Genuine Patrol carpet mats in the back there, as you can see. We've got the tow hook in here, and the rear seats, all you have to do is unlatch it from up on the handle there and drop it down, but plenty of storage in the back there as well. Unlock this again, close it up and make our way along this side of the vehicle now. Color match parking sensors on the back there, and that next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked and plenty of tread left in the tires. Paintwork all the way along the vehicle is in beautiful condition, so it's almost near showroom condition with almost no marks that I could actually spot out at all. And in that pearl white, it presents in remarkable condition. So really well looked after, and 4 completely unmarked wheels. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, take your look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel engine. The power output from this engine is 118 kilowatts with 354 newton meters of torque. The diesel fuel tank holds a massive 125 litres with a combined fuel consumption of about 11.8 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style and what you're towing, of about 1,059 kilometers from the full tank. Take a look inside the Nissan Patrol now. On the driver's side door, you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is the lock button for your windows and your central locking as well. On the right hand side here, you've got your idle up, so if you wanted the car to warm up a little bit quicker, just turn that on and it will set at higher revs. You've also got the illumination control for your cluster. On the right hand side here, behind the stalk, you've got your toggle for your power mirrors, and on the right hand stalk itself is your indicators and headlights. On the left hand stalk are all your washer and wiper controls, including the rear washer and wiper. Now on the steering wheel itself, you've got all your cruise control settings on the right hand side. Moving on into the middle, you've got a little bit of storage up there if you wanted to customize it or something. I think maybe some gauges would look pretty cool in there. Just below here we've got the radio, so all hard buttons. You've got AUX input, USB input, a CD port. You've also got your Bluetooth and hands-free calling. You've also got AM and FM radio as well. Just down here, all the controls for your air conditioning. You've also got your rear air conditioning control switch just down here. Your sub tank if you needed to engage it. Cigarette lighter and a 12-volt socket. Just next to the shifter, you've got your transmission control, so if you wanted to leave it in power mode and get a little bit of extra kick out of the car, you can do that. You've also got your traction control, and on the left hand side of the shifter is your 4-wheel drive selector. Back here you've got an ashtray, so if you're not a smoker, you can probably use that for coins or something, and a hard handbrake, as well as 2 cup holders and your fog light controls. Center console itself, if you lift it up, you've got a little tray insert here, and you can actually lift that up, and as you can see, we've got two sets of headphones for the DVD player in the back. Back here is also your rear air conditioning controls. Up the top, as Jamie just pointed out, you have also got the DVD player, which is awesome for keeping the kids entertained on long trips. You've also got the 2 center armrests with the pull-out cup holders, which is awesome for keeping drinks and stuff in the back. And as you can probably tell, the interior is absolutely immaculate front and back, so very, very well maintained vehicle. And considering what the previous owner was like, he was very, very meticulous about the care of his vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on the stunning Nissan Patrol. As you can see, in this kind of condition, it has been looked after really well. Something I would highly recommend is please ask us about the glass coat, because I would hate for you to drive this away and not have some sort of protection on your beautiful pearl paintwork. It will maintain it for the lifetime of the vehicle and give you a lifetime warranty against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and many other environmental damages. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. That's going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, and up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist. Now, although they are additional costs, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and make your payments work for you with everything in there. Now, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So the number once again is 990 70 555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.